Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to extend image length in DaVinci Resolve. Okay, it is a basic tutorial, and many of them know about it, but it is actually for who does not know. So here you can see here, this is my picture, and its length is about 5 seconds. Because of I set my normal image timer to 5 seconds. So how can I increase the image length from here? You can see here, whenever my mouse reach here, it will be give me a symbol like this. Then you click your left mouse button and hold it, then just move like this, forward or backward. If you move backward, it will be shrink and image length is down like 2 seconds, and you can simply extend it to anywhere if you want, and you can simply stop. Then once again, not once again, you can unlimited times you can increase the length from here like this. Okay, and if you click somewhere else, then drag, then the image will be moved. That means the image position will be moved, not increase the size. So always go for the end of the line, then get the symbol, then just click and drag. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.